Hey, Nick Watson here at Joseph Motors to add another vehicle to our YouTube page. This is a 2018 3500 single rear wheel gas vehicle. We've got 4x4 utility package on this thing. This thing is in really, really great shape. Only 84,000 miles on this. Really, really nice, clean unit. You come down the side, you got Goodyear Wrangler tires, front and rear. Now, this is a 3500, but you're still going to have single rear wheel package, so it's not a dually. Got trailer tow trim on it. It's got all the goodies that they're going to have on it and stuff like that. Power windows, power locks. Knapheide body on the here. We did our custom coat package we put on it. We do the bumpers. We did the back here in the back. Do the tops up in here. Again, it's got the Kevlar matching Goodyear Wrangler tires that are on it. What I like, it's got the manual shift too on the floor for the four-wheel drive unit, which is really cool. Underneath here, 6.0 gas. Well, if you got any questions on this little Silverado we've got here, please give us a call at 919-661-2886. My name is Nick. Johnny's on the other side of the phone there. You can hit us up on the website at josephmotorsnc.com. If you need any more information, more detailed photos, or anything, we'll be glad to help. Anyway, have a great day, guys.